What is blind spot? The spot is an area of the car's immediate surrounding that cannot be seen through the rear view or side view mirrors. Tips for overcoming blind spots. Here are 5 tips to help you safely overcome blind spots while driving. Adjust all your mirrors to cover as much area as possible around the vehicle. Do not rely solely on mirrors. Always look out the side windows. Do not linger when passing other vehicles. Use your turn signal early and often to alert other drivers. Keep your field of vision clear. Do not place items in front of the window.